Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome. And I have a couple of advent calendars that I'm going to open each day, and this is December 1st. And I did want to show you, I received 2 advent calendars from Cece's Trail Size Life and Laura the Bargain Hunter as a birthday gift. So thank you so much, ladies. I'm so excited to be opening these. This is the 12-day advent calendar from Macy's, and I am going to open that on the traditional 12 days of Christmas, which is December 26th through January 6th. So this one I'm going to put aside, but I did want to show it to you in case you haven't seen it. I've shown it before. And then they also sent me the 25 days of beauty from Macy's, and this is in a plastic liner, which I will take that off now. And I have this Merry and Bright Feline So Festive with Cat Toys for the boys. That's going to be fun because they've never had a cat, an advent calendar before for my cats. I've never had that, and they never had one either. And I got this from Aldi's. This is a chocolate calendar. So what I'm going to do is start with the Macy's calendar. Y'all, I will tell you this. I did have, excuse me, they're coming, so maybe hopefully they'll get here for the calendar. I ordered the Look Fantastic advent calendar. And at the very moment, it's in my house, but it's a long story. I've had some trouble with Look Fantastic, and I should have known better because I've had trouble with them in the past. Glossy Box and Look Fantastic, they have beautiful products. I really like their products when there's no trouble. As soon as there's any amount of trouble, they don't communicate properly. So they're supposed to be picking up that advent calendar. Because of what they put me through, I don't want the advent calendar. So I'm opening up these other lovely ones that I'm super excited about. So let's look at Macy's. Isn't it beautiful? The ring light's sort of in there. But this opens up like this. And let's look for day 1. I have no idea. I haven't had a chance to look at it yet to see. Okay, here is day 1 right here. And this is going to be the type that, okay, you got to punch it in. Oh goodness, I'm not good with opening things. Oops, ow. Okay, my nail just fell off. It did, that's okay. All right, let's see. Well, heck, I might have to get these. I might have to open these before. Okay, this is our first one, so I'll maybe try to work on it for tomorrow. Excuse me. Okay, what did I get? Oh, I got something nice. This is Lancome. Look how pretty that is, y'all. I don't know if there is information about, there's information on the back about everything. But it might be difficult to actually find this. So let me just read what it says. It says Advanced Genifique Concentrate, Youth Activating Concentrate. That sounds good to me, y'all. So this is, well, I think that's plastic, but it's like it's glass and it's a dropper bottle. So I'm excited about that, y'all. And here comes Smudge. Smudge, would you like to open your calendar? Let's see what you got. All right, now he's sitting on the Macy's, so we got to move that over. Okay, Smudge, look what, oops. Smudge, look what I have for you. I'm so sorry, my nose itches. Okay, number 1 is way at the top here. And Smudge, oh, look what I have. You know, my sister's cats love these, but I don't know that my cats do. I think we've had them before. This is like a slinky kind of a thing, and they're supposed to chase him through the house. Smudge, look at that. Come on. He's gone already. Let me see if I can get him over. Smudge, come on. Well, y'all, I'm trying to entice him over here, but he's too busy wanting to play with the plastic. So let's open the chocolate calendar. And that is way at the top as well. All of these are push-ins, y'all. So, oh, I didn't think about that because I have a terrible time opening anything. So, all right, let me see. Okay, when I open that, in there is this beautiful, this is Latte Macchiato Truffle. Well, it's stuck in there, y'all. All right, here it is. Oh, it's beautiful. I thought by the look of it, it was going to be raspberry. Smudge. He's chewing on plastic. But let's see what it looks like. Now, here comes Blue. Y'all, this might be a mess opening things. All right, all right. All right, let me just take a bite because I can't break it. Oh, that's good. Anyway, I wish I could share it with y'all. Anyway, y'all, this is really good. Thanks for stopping by to see my advent calendars. And count your blessings. See you soon. Bye-bye.